Hey guys, make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake people make when replacing fuses relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Mercedes E-Class. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2010 to year 2016. This is known as generation W212. If you guys need to find where your headlights relay is located, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We will explain also where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Now, if you have a Mercedes E-Class, that generation from year 2010 to year 2016-17 guys, this is the W212 guys. We're going to have a video for every single fuse relay on that car, why things do not work, why we're making this one, because we're trying to save you time and money guys. Let's say you're down the road in the middle of nowhere, your car does not start, you need to find where your engine starter fuse relay is located guys, where you can find fuel injection system fuses, fuel pump fuses. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you're back on the road guys. In addition, we'll share where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste your money and time. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make guys at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix mechanical, electrical, engine work guys, body work, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars guys in free repair videos. Check it out if you need help with that. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the headlights relay, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on that generation Mercedes E-Class here. This guys is the same generation, this is before the facelift model, this is the facelifted model, but they're based on the same generation, so it should work for both. You guys have multiple fuse boxes. Now the relays are mostly concentrated in a fuse box that's under the hood, so if you open the hood here on the driver's side, you can see next to the brake pump you have that cover, open it and you will find a main engine fuse box with a layout like this one, and you have multiple relays. Now, none of those is for the headlights guys, okay, but if you go in the trunk, open the trunk, here on the side you have another fuse box, that's for the rear SAM module. Open that cover and underneath you'll find another fuse box with more relays. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So it is super important guys to always test fuses and relays, and something else as well, common mistakes people make. Sometimes you may think that a fuse is good, or you cannot actually see if the fuse is clearly burned, and in that case guys you may put the fuse back together and you may end up spending money and time on parts you don't need, and all we had to do is just test the fuse. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse. It takes only a few seconds to find out for sure if it's good or bad. The same thing for relays guys, okay, some of those could be really expensive on cars, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below how you can test relays. And for some certain fuses guys, it's important to disconnect the car battery when removing them, otherwise you can burn the electronics. And for instance, working on airbags, fuses or anything like that, you need to wait at least 1 hour after disconnecting the car battery, and if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbag system, I will never recommend to do that guys. But when disconnecting the car battery guys, okay, common mistake people make, it's important to know which battery terminal you reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn electronics modules. How we know about that? We burn before the traction control module on BMW that cost us $2,000 guys. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below which battery terminal to disconnect first. Check it out for your convenience. So guys, where is the headlights relay? Oh, by the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for your Mercedes or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can guys save a ton of money. So the headlights guys, even though we have multiple relays, none of this is for the headlights. So you do not have guys a headlights relay. Instead you may have up to 5 different fuses that are known as relay fuses. And in this fuse box, which ones we need to check, if we come in that section here first, next to each fuse you have a number. Depending on which headlight system you have, you may need to check fuse number 74 right here. 75 right there. Okay, and then you will need to check fuse number 89, this one right there, guys. Now you have two more that are in the fuse box under the hood, that one right here, and we're talking here about one of them is fuse number, okay, if we zoom in a little bit, 29, and fuse number 30 here, these two fuses. So unfortunately you don't have a headlight relay, but you need to check all these fuses. Thank you guys for watching, see you next time.